शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
धन्यवाद सुनीता भगिनी। अद्यतन कक्षायां वयं सर्वे परिचय पाठ्यक्रमस्य किञ्चित् सेवालोकनं करिष्यामः। तर्हि परिचय इति पाठ्यक्रमे प्रत्येकस्मिन् पाठे प्रायशः 11 वा 12 अंशाः सन्ति, यथा भाषाभ्यासः, कथा, तदनन्तरम् अन्वयरचना, तदनन्तरं सुभाषितानि, अनन्तरं शब्दसङ्ग्रह। तर्हि तेषु एक एव अंशः स्वीकृत्य अद्य वयं सर्वे पठामः। तर्हि अंशः अस्ति सुभाषितानि। तर्हि सुभाषितानि इति अंशः स्वीकृत्य वयं सर्वे किञ्चित् पूर्णपुस्तके ये यानि सुभाषितानि सन्ति तानि सर्वाणि पुनः एकवारं तानि सर्वाणि अवलोकनं कुर्मः वयं सर्वे। तर्हि
नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यः।
नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्यतन कक्षायाः क्रमः कथमस्ति? भाग्य, तदनन्तरं गंगोत्री महोदय, मोहिनी महोदय,
शारदा महोदय म्यूट प्लीज।
तदनन्तरं सजीव महोदय, शारदा महोदय, अनन्तरं सुनीता महोदय, वेंकटरामन महोदय। तर्हि दृश्यते वा स्क्रीन्?
दृश्यते।
अस्तु, तर्हि भाग्या कृपया आरम्भं करोतु सुभाषितम्।
आशायाः ये दासास्ते दासा सर्वलोकस्य आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासाय आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासायते लोकः। think we already did this right before.
अस्तु, तर्हि पुनः एकवारं कुर्मः।
आशायाः ये दासास्ते दासा सर्वलोकस्य आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासायते लोकः।
अस्तु, तर्हि पदविभाग कृपया करोतु।
आशायाः ये दासाः ते दासाः सर्वलोकस्य आशा येषां दासी तेषां दासायते लोकः।
दासायते लोकः। तर्हि प्रत्येकस्य पदस्य कृपया अर्थः किमस्ति इति वदतु।
आशायाः is of desires.
आङ्ग्लभाषायां वदतु चलति वा संस्कृतेन वदति चेत् किञ्चित् वरं भवति।
आशायाः is of desires. ये दासाः, so whoever is slave of desires, dasaha is slaves. Te dasaha, they are slaves of sarvalokasya, of the whole world. Asha yesham dasi. So whoever's slave desire is, so
yes,
tesham dasayate lokaha. So of them the whole world is a slave.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, अस्तु। तर्हि अत्र किमपि सन्धिकार्यं दृश्यते वा अस्मिन् सुभाषिते?
दासाः ते, दासास्ते सकारादेशः।
सकारादेशः।
दासा सर्वलोकस्य सकारादेशः।
पुनः एकवारं सकारादेशः। तथैव एव। अस्तु,
One doubt, Sandeep ji.
हाँ,
I have got a doubt. In the question paper, how we get is, write the prose order, meaning and gist of the following in English. It is given as write the prose order and
Yeah.
gist of the following in English. So we have to rearrange the letters in Sanskrit to get the meaning.
Okay.
And then we have to write it in English. Is it
अस्तु.
so?
धन्यवाद महोदय.
We can do that.
तर्हि भाग्या महोदय कृपया तथैव करोतु.
Okay. ये आशायाः दासाः ते सर्वलोकस्य दासाः.
समीचीनम्.
येषां दासी आशा तेषां लोकः दासायते.
लोकः दासायते. समीचीनं. तस्य अर्थः आङ्ग्लभाषायां तु भवती उक्तवती एव.
दासायते इत्युक्ते दासायते इत्युक्ते what is it? दासायते
serves, right?
आत्मनेपदी धातु अस्ति दासायते.
दासायते.
दासायते आत्मनेपदी. What is the dhatu? What is the root?
Das.
अहं न जानामि महोदय.
Das.
I think from the da
Dhatu, I think.
Da dhatu.
Da dhatu.
Right? The ya is there means it is within.
Yeah. But da is the root. From that, I think it takes the suffix
derived.
And then it forms dasayate.
Okay.
But I am not sure of the exact.
तर्हि तत्र प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनमेव दृश्यते. लोकः दासायते.
Okay, I'm looking it up. It's okay. Dasaya is to become a slave.
Oh, dasaya.
Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the breakdown. Usually, it gives us the root, but in here they didn't give the root.
Dhatu kosha probably.
Dasaya is the root. So dasayate, dasayete.
And it looks like this is an ubhayapadi actually. It has dasayate as well as dasayati.
Oh, dasayati api asti va?
Yeah, api asti.
अस्तु तर्हि अन्य कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? अग्रे गच्छामः. अग्रे कस्य क्रमः?
So in the parikshayam how do they ask these questions? Subhashitam, they will ask and they will ask us to do padavibhaga, pratipadartha and tatparyam. Is that how it is?
तात्पर्यं तथैव यथा शारदा महोदया उक्तवती ते प्रायः तस्य
how it is given is write the prose order, meaning and the gist of the two of the following in English. Okay. So prose order meaning ityukte padavibhagah अन्वयः संस्कृत अन्वयः अनन्तरं meaning in English अर्थः आङ्ग्लभाषायाः अर्थः.
सम्यक्. ओके.
प्रवेशपरीक्षार्थं गङ्गोत्री महोदय उदाहरणी पत्रं प्रेषितवती. एवं परीक्षार्थमपि model papers
asti. I think model papers asti in our folder madhye asti. But first we will have to go through this and then we can do that, I think. Yeah.
4 marks they give for one sloka, they give 4 marks. So it is up to us to write.
If we take Padavibhaga and leave it, we get 1 mark.
Yeah. Also, we saw that the Karnataka, as per the region, the patterns were a bit different. So, like the kind of questions or the complexity, like there were slight changes. Tamil Nadu was far easier compared to the Karnataka region questions. I think in the folder we have Karnataka region question models. So if we prepare for that, we'll be equally good for the Tamil Nadu region question papers.
Okay.
अस्तु गंगोत्री महोदय कृपया अग्रे सुभाषितं वदतु.
Sadhunam darshanam punyam tirtha bhuta hi sadavaha tirtham phalati kalena sadhyah sadhu samagamaha.
तर्हि तस्य पदविभागः करोतु.
Sadhunam darshanam punyam tirtha bhuta hi sadavaha. Sarve padaha, I think there is no tirtham phalati kalena sadhyah sadhu samagamaha.
तर्हि किमस्ति प्रतिपदार्थः कः अस्ति? साधूनाम् इत्युक्ते किम्?
Of the sadhu darshanam
दर्शनम् इत्युक्ते दृश्यं वा मेलनं.
When you get to see them. Punyam, it is a great obligation, or it's punya. Tirtha bhuta hi sadavaha. I think it means they are always they are always they aspire to always visit pilgrims. Does it? Is that
तीर्थ भूता ही साधवः यथा तीर्थस्थानं भवति तीर्थस्थानं तुल्य इव.
Okay. They are personification of a sacred place. Tirtham palati kalena. What is exactly tirtham here?
Tirtham ityukte tirthasthanam. Tirthasthanam. Tirthasthanam.
Punyam api, right? Punyam also we can say, like, is it right?
तस्य अर्थः अस्ति यदा वयं सर्वे तीर्थस्थानं गच्छामः तर्हि तस्य फलं कालेन प्राप्स्यामः.
In time.
कालेन.
In time, yeah.
Okay. Sadhyah sadhu samagamaha. But if we get to pay the tributes, or if we get to visit a sadhu, it is today itself, like it is almost instantaneous.
Yeah, it's instantaneous. Yeah.
सद्यः एव.
सद्य एव. तर्हि अस्तु. तर्हि English also we can write all this, right? We can translate the meaning and write.
You want to try the Anvaya first and then?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we can try the Anvaya first. Yeah.
So it is sadhunam darshanam punyam tirtha bhuta hi sadavaha. I think it is given in the same order. Tirtham phalati kalena sadyah sadhu samagamaha.
Sadyah sadhu samagamaha.
One we can sprinkle.
Phalati is the verb, right?
In brackets we have to write again for
sprinkle. Yeah, it is sprinkle asti bhavati and all here and there probably.
Tirtha bhuta is
personification of Tirtha Sthala.
Similar to Tirtha. Right.
There's a Visarga Sandhi. Tirtha bhutaha hi.
Oh, I thought it was a samasa kind of a word.
No. So what is sadavaha tirtha bhutaha hi.
Sadavaha tirtha bhutaha hi. विसर्ग संधि अस्ति. तीर्थभूताः.
Okay.
अन्य कुत्रापि दृश्यते वा सन्धिकार्यं? सद्य साधु समागमः.
Sadhya
right now.
Sadhya.
What is Sadhya? Sadhya means
immediately. Right now.
Immediately now. सद्य इति नास्ति सन्धिकार्यं. सद्य इति पदं
सद्य एव.
अस्तु. तर्हि
क्वेश्चन
वदतु.
किं सद्य फलति इति प्रश्नं भवति.
Oh, and then you have to, in the context, you have to write this Subhashitam and explain probably.
And they have to write it. No need to write the Subhashitam. I think they have to write the meaning of it, depending on the mark. If it is for 2 marks, just one word answer.
So I think they will ask questions based on these all these Subhashitam or story from anywhere. They'll ask, why did Nandini become angry? That would be a question.
Yeah, exactly. Even the Sukta is,
So I mean, I think if we know the Subhashitam very well. Yeah, if we know the Subhashitam very well, then any question that we get based on that should be easy.
Correct.
Yeah.
The Subhashitam may be given or not, but questions can be based off of that Subhashitam.
Exactly.
So many Subhashitams are describing the qualities of Uttama people.
Sadhus.
So sadhus. So from that we have to choose which is the correct thing. That is the tough thing.
Okay.
अस्तु कस्य क्रमः अग्रे सजीव महोदय
मोहिनी महोदय
मोहिनी महोदय कृपया पठतु एतत् सुभाषितम्
अंगम गलितं पलितं मुंडम दशनविहीनं जातं तुंडम क्रुद्धो याति गृहीत्वा दंडम तदापि न मुञ्चत्या शापिंडम
मुञ्चत्या शापिंडम
मुञ्चति
आशापिंडम. Yeah, it is from Bhajagovindam, this one. Angam galitam. Angam is parts of the body, like different parts. Galitam is they will be like become old. They will become like palitam mundam. Mundam is like head. All it becomes palitam is like it becomes gray because it is palitam mundam. Dashanavihinam is the teeth. Dashanavihinam is without the teeth.
Yes.
Dashanavihinam jatam, it becomes, I think, jatam. Tundam is the like
yes.
the mouth. Vruddho yati, he becomes old. Vruddho.
It takes the support of
dandam. Dandam is the stick. Gruhitva dandam. After holding the stick, tadapna munchati asha pindam. So that means even then, this asha that we have, the desire that we have, it will not go away. We still will have the desires. So that's the meaning. But let's now do the padavibhagam. Angam galitam palitam munchati. Dashana vihinam is one word. Dashana vihinam jatam tundam. Vruddho would be vruddha. Vruddha yati gruhitva dandam tada api.
What is the
yati itukte ashati. Yati.
Vruddho yati. What is the sandhi?
तत्र विसर्गसन्धिः अस्ति वा महोदय?
यः अति न.
Vruddha yati, right? So what kind of sandhi is that? Visarga sandhi.
Namo namaha.
Vruddho yati. Because vruddha yati would be mrudu vyanjana. Followed by mrudu vyanjana would be namo namaha.
समीचीनं.
Vruddho yati.
अग्रे गच्छतु.
Gruhitva is the krudanta. Dandam. Tadapi tadapi. Na is away. Munchati would be the word. Ashapindam is another word.
Correct.
So
munchati ityukte kim?
Munchati means like like tyajati, like we won't give away.
Release, to release or to give away.
We won't get rid of it.
तत्र अस्ति वा किमपि सन्धिकार्यं मुञ्चत्या आशापिण्ड
मुञ्चति आशापिण्ड. Munchati would be the verb and asha. So e and a. Munchatya. So e is replaced by yana sandhi.
yana sandhi. अस्तु. yana sandhi अस्ति अतः मुञ्चत्या आशापिण्डम् इति निष्पन्नम्. अस्तु. सो तर्हि आङ्ग्लभाषायां वयं सर्वे लेखितुं शक्नुमः अस्य अर्थः.
So do we do the Anvaya in Sanskrit now?
Anvaya first, right?
Yeah, we can do Anvaya in Sanskrit, yes.
Okay. So, yadi angam galitam, yadi would be in brackets. Yadi angam galitam bhavati, again it's in brackets. Unnam palitam bhavati.
Yada.
Yada, sorry. Yadi, if, sorry. Yeah, yada. When. Yada angam galitam bhavati, mundam palitam bhavati, tundam dashavihinam jatam.
Tundam dashavihinam bhavati.
Dashavihinam bhavati. What is jatam? Then where would
jatam is happens, becomes.
Okay. So we can use that jatam as the word instead of bhavati angam galitam jatam. Yada angam galitam jatam. Yada mundam palitam jatam. Tundam dashavihinam jatam. Tada, sorry. Then I have to still join that part, right? Vruddha. Yeah. How do I join that?
Dandam
gruhitva vruddha yati jatam tadapi or tada, yeah, tada, yada tada, okay, tada api asha pindam na munchati.
Yadyapi tadapi.
Yeah, yadyapi.
Yadyapi or yeah, you can say yadyapi, start with instead of yada, yadyapi and tadapi. Okay.
Yadyapi angam galitam jatam, yadyapi mundam palitam jatam, yadyapi tundam dashavihinam jatam, yadyapi vruddho agacchati va vruddhapakalah agacchati dandam gruhitva tathapi ashapindam na munchati. इति तस्य अर्थः. एतत् तु आङ्ग्लभाषायां वयं सर्वे लेखितुं शक्नुमः.
Can you give us just 1 minute to finish writing?
Yeah. So in English it would be even if the even when the body parts are like old and the hair become gray, the teeth are lost, and even he's old, he attains old age, and walking with a stick, even then it is very difficult to get rid of desires.
Desires,
no,
exactly.
He doesn't get rid of the desire.
That's not, yeah, present tense.
Yeah, he munchati would be doesn't get. Right.
So the question is here, kaka na asha munjati. Asha munjati iti prashnaha. Kada or kaha? What is that?
Kada ashapindam na munchati. Kada ashapindam na munchati.
Sorry, I didn't get the question. What is the question, Sharda ji?
Who will not give up desire?
No, in Sanskrit, what is the question?
That's what I'm asking Sandeep ji.
Yeah, so the question is, kada ashapindam na munchati. Kada na munchati. Yada angam galitam bhavati, yada mundam palitam bhavati, yada tundam dashavihinam jatam, yada vruddhapakalah agacchati, tada api ashapindam na munchati. Iti uttaram.
Can they ask us kaha na asha munjati? Will they ask like that? Kaha na asha munjati?
Tathaiva. Kada api na kada na munchati va ashapindam kada ashapindam na munchati iti prashtum shaknuमः.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Ekah prashna asti. Yati, what does it mean? Yati?
Yati is ayati.
Becoming.
To become. So the old age comes. Yati is to come.
Yati is to go.
To go.
To go. So that's why I said dandam gruhitva yati.
Yati is travel.
Yeah. Yatri is yati. Yeah.
Let's look at
Yati is
someone looking at the dictionary? Is someone looking at the dictionary?
Yeah, I'm looking at the dictionary. I looked at the dictionary. Yati is go.
So what is vruddha yati gruhitva dandam. So the old man is coming holding a stick. That is what it is saying.
Going. Go.
Chalati.
Vruddhaha dandam grihitva yati.
गृहीत्वा याति.
Dandam gruhitva yati.
Yeah, because ayati is to come, so yati is to go. Yeah. अस्तु, सजीव महोदय कृपया अग्रे पठतु.
धनानि जीवितं चैव परार्थे प्राज्ञ उत्सृजेत्. सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागो विनाशे नियते सति. पदविभागः धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे प्राज्ञः उत्सृजेत्. सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागो विनाशे नियते सति. So
पदविभागः
पदविभागः कृतवान्. अहम् इदानीम् अन्वयं धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे प्राज्ञः उत्सृजेत्. Utsurjej means like त्यजति, right? Like they just they sacrifice. सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागो विनाशे नियते सति. सन्निमित्ते वरं त्यागो विनाशे नियते सति. So wealth and life, pararte means for others. Cha eva. So wealth and life for others. Prajnaha utsruje. Prajnaha is a wise man. A wise man will sacrifice his life and wealth for others. Sannimitte varam tyago vinashe niyate sati. Sannimitte varam tyago.
Sannimitte ityukte किम्?
Sannimitte
like good nimitta.
Sun is good. So paropkaraya. Sannimitte paropkaraya.
For the benefit of others.
For the benefit of others.
For benefit of
Nimitta is a good cause. Sannimitta is a good cause.
Nimitta is cause, yeah.
So is it like so sannimitte for good cause? For good cause. Vinashe varam sannimitte varam tyago vinashe niyate sati. So yeah, it's better to do that because we don't know when vinasha will come to us. Is that the meaning?
विनाशे नियते सति इत्युक्ते विनाशः तु निश्चितं भविष्यति.
Oh, vinasham nishchitam bhavishyati. So atah it's better to just keep doing.
तस्मात् पूर्वमेव विनाशं निश्चितं भवति. तस्मात् पूर्वमेव दानं कार्यं वा सन्निमित्तं कार्यं कुरु.
What is the meaning?
What it is saying is that it is saying is that in any case this wealth and life is going to get destroyed eventually. So before it happens, I think happens.
Use it for good cause.
Use it for good causes.
Varam is better, right?
Varam is better, yeah.
It's better to sacrifice your life or sacrifice your possessions before you die.
For good cause.
Yeah, for good cause.
So Anvaya would be
Sati means what? Does anybody remember?
Sati Saptami. Sati Saptami. Sati Saptami.
Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's why it is Niyate. Okay.
Niyate Sati means in time. Yeah, Niyate Sati is in.
That
I think
is,
instead of okay, not instead of. So Vinasha is bound to happen. So instead of waiting until not, I don't want to do my own words. Vinasha niyate sati. Niyate is what? Niyate
is nishchitam. Destined, nishchitam.
Certain.
Okay, so Vinasha is bound to happen. So Prajnaha, wise man would sacrifice his life and dhana for others varam, for others good.
Sannimitte varam tyago. So instead of
no. I think sannimitte त्यागः धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे उत्सृज
Can you tell the
Utsrujet is it's that what is that?
Vidhilinga. Pratham
Yeah, it's
Purusha.
Vidhilinga. It's Vidhilinga. So ought to, right? It's like you
Ought to.
yeah.
Should be doing it.
Pratnya should, a wise man should do that because.
Utsrujet.
Can you tell the Anvaya, Sandeep Mohoday, please?
धनानि महोदय कर्तुं शक्यते वा? सजीव महोदय करोतु प्रयत्नं.
Yeah, I think it's like first line would be one sentence and second line would be another sentence.
As is?
धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे प्राज्ञः उत्सृजे सन्निमित्ते. See, the varam is what is confusing. Like varam is like, did we say it's better? So if that's the case, we should say. So sannimitte tyagah vinashe niyate sati. I don't know. So go ahead, Sandeep.
प्राज्ञः उत्सृजेत्. प्राज्ञः तत्र विसर्गसन्धिः अस्ति. संजय उवाचः प्राज्ञः उत्सृजेत्. तर्हि प्राज्ञः इत्युक्ते पंडिताः वा सज्जनाः वा.
So that will be the subject, right?
प्राज्ञः. प्राज्ञः धनं
धनानि जीवितं चैव परार्थे उत्सृजेत्.
Even their lives. So
yeah. That's the first sentence, and then the continuation.
जीवितं धनानि किमर्थम् उत्सृजेत्? विनाशे नियते सति अतः उत्सृजेत्.
No. Is that right?
But you can like split it into two sentences.
Yeah, you can split it into two sentences. धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे उत्सृजेत्.
1 minute. धनानि
प्राज्ञः विनाशे नियते सति तेन तत् कारणेन प्राज्ञः धनानि जीवितं च उत्सृजेत्. सन्निमित्ते उत्सृजेत्. सन्निमित्ते
No. Maybe sannimitte pararte would it come? Okay. Dhanani जीवितं चैव प्राज्ञः धनानि जीवितं चैव सन्निमित्ते परार्थे उत्सृजेत्.
No, sannimitte tyagah varam. Vinashe niyate sati. That goes together. I think it's sati saptami, like you said.
Yeah, but how does it? So varam means better. So sannimitte tyagaha is better than.
No, at the bottom there is Anvaya. Can you scroll?
That's in Marathi.
Sunita is becoming very impatient to find the answer.
Sunita, can you read Marathi?
I'm not able to hear when so many are talking.
No, it's in Marathi. We can't understand that.
It is Hindi letters, right? Anvaya.
Yes, Hindi letters, but do you understand Marathi?
Yes,
I understand the words, the Hindi words. They're just the two letters.
Okay, so somebody else can take it.
Yeah, okay. So I can try. So प्रथमं पंक्ति तु सम्यक् अस्ति. प्राज्ञः धनानि जीवितं चैव परार्थे उत्सृजेत्. अवगतं वा इदं? तत्तु स्पष्टमस्ति. विनाशे नियते सति अस्य अर्थः अस्ति विनाशः निश्चितमस्ति. विनाशे नियते सति अतः प्राज्ञः तन्निमित्ते धनं जीवितं सन्निमित्ते धनानि जीवितं ददेत्.
No, I think tyagaha is a subject, so we should just use that. Tyagaha is better. Tyagaha for a good cause is better.
Times when you are going to lose it anyway, you better to sacrifice for a good cause.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I think we should say vinashe niyate sati atah tyagaha
sannimitte varam tyagaha.
Yeah, tyagaha varam asti.
Sannimitte tyagaha varam. Like it is better to do that.
Yeah.
So atra sannimittam varam asti, tyagah varam nasti
Sannimitta.
Tyagah is to give up,
Tyagah is the subject though.
Tyajati.
Tyagah vinashe.
Tyagah.
Tyagaha is better. That's all it's saying.
Sannimitte varam tyagaha. So what is you? So Tyagaha is better than Sannimittam. Is that what he's saying?
No. They're saying Nashe Niyatam Sati. Can we say anyway it will be destroyed when bad times come, right? So when you have good times, it is better to give to somebody else.
See, Sannimitte is a good cause, right? So we have to say, Sannimitte Tyagaha Varam.
Varam. Yeah, that's correct.
Otherwise it will be destroyed anyway, right?
अस्तु सन्निमित्ते त्यागः वरम आज्ञा महोदय धन्यवादः
विनाशे सति
अतः सन्निमित्ते त्यागः वरम
अतः प्राज्ञः
संदीप जी
अस्तु तर्हि निष्पन्नं किं भवति प्राज्ञः धनानि जीवितं च एव परार्थे उत्सृजेत् विनाशे नियते सति सन्निमित्ते त्यागः वरम
विनाशे नियते सति अतः और लाइक ततः राइट अतः
सन्निमित्ते त्यागः वरम
It's there.
Yeah, now it makes sense.
Right. Yeah, thank you very much. That varam was actually very confusing.
Yeah, the second line was a little confusing.
Yeah.
Till Sajeev Mahodaya said that's all Sati Saptami, it didn't make sense.
That's all I remembered, but after that, everything is gone. Sati Saptami.
So, are we okay with this? Can we move ahead?
Yeah, we can.
I think.
We can.
I mean, if somebody can read Marathi.
Yeah, we can move ahead.
Yeah, Marathi प्रत्येक शब्दाचा अर्थ लिहिताना संस्कृत.
So I had only the Marathi book and that was the only option. But it's good. So you can't read Marathi, so it's good for us.
I can read Marathi.
Oh, you can.
I can read Marathi. Yeah, my mother tongue, man.
Oh, great. Okay, so it's got to be easy for you. Good. Okay, कः अस्ति अग्रे शारदा महोदया वा?
I am here.
वदतु कृपया.
श्लोकार्थेन प्रवक्ष्यामि यद्युक्तं ग्रन्थकोटिभिः परोपकार पुण्याय पापाय परिपीडनम्. So here यद्युक्तं I think it is the verb. Lokartena pravakshami. So it should be Grantha Kotibihi yat uktam cha shlokartena pravakshami. Kim pravakshami? परोपकारः पुण्यं पापाय परिपीडनम् इति.
तत्र च इति शब्दस्य किम् प्रयोजनं? यद् उक्तं, यद् ग्रन्थकोटिभिः उक्तं श्लोकार्धेन
अहं प्रवक्ष्यामि. I am saying pravakshami. Is it?
Yeah.
Pravakshami. Okay. Shlokartena pravakshami. So, what has been told by all the granthas, and what I mean is that paropakaram, doing good to others, is the good thing, that is punyam, and papam will cause all what is papaya paripedanam. So it will get negative effects. It will be harmful to others. Papaya paripedanam.
Papaya paripedanam.
That is paripedanam means
harmful to others.
Parapeedanam, not paripeedanam. It's parapeedanam.
Parapeedanam. That is to others. Shlokartena pravakshyami. So what should be the?
In half a shloka, I will tell you.
Yaduktam, whatever was said by.
Oh, shloka artha shlokena.
Artha shlokena.
Artha shlokena. Pravakshyami. What is that? Pravakshyami.
Pravakshyami. Vadami.
Vadami. Aham vadami. Okay. So, Grantha Kotipihi, Shlokartha, what has been told in the great Granthas, I can tell half shloka. That is simple. That is papam causes harm to others, parapeedanam, and paropakaram causes punyam to all.
Troubling others, papaya.
कः लकारः अस्ति अत्र प्रवक्ष्यामि इत्युक्ते लकारः
वक्ष्यामि
भविष्यत्काल
लुट् लकार अस्ति लट् लकार अस्ति महोदय
प्रवक्ष्यामि
लुट् लकार
Drut, I think.
लुट् लकार अस्ति द्रक्ष्यामि तथा प्रवक्ष्यामि
Is it bach dhatu?
With upasarga
upasarga
pravach.
So it is future tense. That is
future tense.
Is it? Okay.
And then there are two sandhis, right?
Two sandhis. Just अस्ति वा सन्धि सन्धि दृश्यते
यदि उक्तम
Is it यदि उक्तम?
यदि नहीं है यदि नहीं है it's यत् उक्तम यत् उक्तम
okay यत् उक्तम
the ta is becoming the heart is becoming soft yat uktam
Shlokardena, you didn't do that.
Shlokardena api asti mohoday.
Shlokartena. Say yadyuktam, do you mean just one?
We didn't do those Vyanjana sandhis, right?
Hal sandhi na patitam.
So is it not yadyuktam? Yadyuktam, it is not.
No, it's not yadyuktam. It's yat
uktam. Yat uktam.
Yat uktam.
Paropakaraha
Grantha
punyaya.
Kotibihi.
Paropakara papaya paripedana. Is there any other sandhi here? No.
Nasti.
Yeah, for punyam do paropakaram?
Yeah.
Punyam do paropakara. Papaya parapedanam.
Papam do parapedanam.
Okay.
So the second sentence would be same, right? Paropakara punyaya papaya parapedanam. But first sentence I wrote Grantha Kotibhihi yad uktam shlokardhena pravakshami, and then just mention the second sentence.
Yes, just the same sentence. Paropakara.
Same thing.
Yeah. Papaya parapedanam.
Yeah, papaya parapedanam.
I missed ardena, ardam, isn't it? Ardam means half.
Ardha is half.
Half. I took as ardam. That is not that.
Ardha.
Half.
Ardhena. Tritiya vibhakti asti atra.
Okay.
Astu agre gachamah. Sunita Mohoday, krupaya.
जलबिंदु निपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः स हेतुः सर्वविद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. Kramashah is slowly, steadily, or in time, right? Pot fills up slowly with one drop of water. Drop of water. Nipatena, falling. Sa hetuhu sarva vidyanam dharmasya dhanasya cha. You
सह हेतुः सर्वविद्यानां.
You want to do the sandhis?
I want to do what I'm doing first.
Yeah. Okay.
Dharmasya cha dhanasya cha. For no. Asya means wealth. And dharmasya is cha. The benefit of.
Why benefit?
No, for that one. For dhanasartham.
Sarva Vidyanam means all the learning, right? All the education is for the benefit of
Dhanartham.
Dharma and Artha.
Dharmartham.
Right?
Yeah. So please explain the first sentence and the second sentence. What is the first sentence saying?
Ghataha, pot fills up.
How does it fill up?
In time, by one drop of water at a time.
One drop at a time. It fills up slowly.
Gradually.
Like that, you for the purpose of dhanam and artha,
Dhanam
you
and
learn all the sarva vidyanam, all education. Right? Purpose of all education is to.
Is it the purpose, or is it similarly vidya, dharmam, and dhanam also accumulate slowly? Is that what it means?
Yeah. Hetu is benefit, isn't it?
Similar rule, I think.
Similar rule, huh? So in a similar rule.
No, the welfare due to vidya, dharma, and dana is accumulated. Yeah.
So, but
Hetu
here,
logic. Hetu can also.
Yeah, Hetu can become logic.
I thought Hetu is benefit, is not?
There are multiple reasons, multiple meanings, right?
So here, sarva vidyanam, dharmasya, dhanasya, all are shashti vibhakti.
Shashti vibhakti. Yeah. So sarva vidyanam, dharmas,
wealth and dharmasya,
and knowledge, all vidya.
All vidya is for the benefit of dhanam and artham is what I'm thinking.
No,
not the there is no question of benefit. That is the same rule for all vidya, dharma, and
for all these things.
Yeah.
Hetu is rule here.
Yeah, hetu is rule.
Rule.
Sarva vidyanam.
Can it also mean the natural? Natural, what to say, the process, something like that.
Yeah, that's what the hetu is. That's what the niyam is. That it's a natural process. Fills up slowly.
Everything
just like the pot fills up with
slowly,
a drop of water in time. Yeah. So also wealth and when you say dharmasya, what is the exact?
Of dharma. Dharma also.
Dharma. Accumulation
deeds,
of karma. Yeah, good deeds. Yeah.
Of everything, dana, dharma, and sarva vidya.
Sarva vidyana.
Same rule applies to collect all those, even in case of knowledge, in case of wealth, and in case of dharma.
I think purayate then applies to both the lines, right?
All of them. Yeah.
Puryate, sorry.
Oh, then
our life is filled with.
You say gataha kramashaha jalabindu nipatena puryate. You can say tarhi likewise.
तथैव सर्व विद्यानां धर्मस्य धनस्य.
That is saha, right?
So अस्माकं जीवनस्य घटः सर्व विद्यानां सर्व विद्याभिः धर्मेण धनेन जलबिन्दुपातेन इव क्रमशः पूर्यते.
Can you say it again, Sandeep ji?
अस्माकं जीवनस्य घटः, अत्र घटः अस्ति, कश्चन घटः अस्ति, सः. It's not. I'm just explaining in Sanskrit.
Right? Or can we put it in brackets?
Yeah, I'm just explaining it to you in my words. What he's saying is, it's getting filled up slowly. So likewise, our life's ghata is getting filled up with all of this slowly. Sarva vidyanam dharmasya dhanasya. That is what.
No, I don't think it means that, right? It means
yeah.
Saha hetu means similarly. That itself.
Similarly.
Similarly, Sarva vidyanam dharmasya and dhanasya, for all of them.
Yeah. For all of them, yeah. But where are all of them? All of them are with the person itself, no? For the person to
so get... we can interpret as Sanjeev Mahoday says. Sanjeev ji says, we can also interpret.
Yeah, so in our life, we will get all the vidya, dharma and dhana slowly drop. That is what it is saying.
Yeah. Don't take any
for the
shortcuts.
second sentence, what will the verb be? How will the second sentence flow in?
Saha hetu sarva vidyanam dharmasya asti. Saha hetu asti.
Okay.
What is the second sentence? Sorry, can you say again?
Saha hetu sarva vidyanam dharmasya cha dhanasya cha asti. Chasti.
So,
okay, I did this. Dharmasya cha dhanasya cha saha hetuhu asti.
Saha hetuhu asti.
Yeah.
Saha hetosti. No, heturasti. Heturasti. Heturasti.
Yeah.
You want me to do
Yeah,
Sandhi?
sorry. Yeah, Sandhi, I think we did that. Okay. Just check, Sandhi. Sunita Mahoday.
Jalabindu nipatena. Jalabinduhu. Or it's one word only. Jalabindu nipatena. Kramashah puryate gataha. Saha hetuhu. The visarga is dropped there, right? Like Arjuna Vacha.
It's not Arjuna, it's an exception, right? So like Saha
and Esha.
Saha and Esha.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Saha. So sa hetuhu.
Sarva vidyanam dharmasya cha dhanasya cha. No.
Tatra eka eva.
No Sandhi.
but it will be all from this book only, right, Sandeep ji?
Yeah, that's why we are doing only this. It will be all from.
Yeah.
We have to be hard sometimes.
If he gives a new one, he'll throw a curveball at us.
No, I won't be able to handle.
I think we'll finish all the Subhashitani today, hopefully.
Yeah. Are you able to see this screen now?
No, we can't see the screen.
Swabhavam na jahatyam.
No, can you do a screen share?
No, it is not.
Okay, let me check just a minute. Okay, let us share this first.
Still Subhashita only?
Yeah. We are doing only Subhashita today, so that we finish this Subhashita and then we can move on to the next.
This is one of the keys. This and the stories are the main.
Yeah, this is, I think Subhashitam is important because it takes about 6 or 8 marks, I think. So.
Yeah.
Agre kaha asti Venkataraman Mahoday, krupaya vadatu.
Was there one we missed before?
Yeah, there's one more page actually, but I'm not able to share it just now. I'll do something and share it. But this is one more we have here. So let's do with this. Let's start with this.
Venkataraman Mahoday.
Venkataraman Mahoday, krupaya.
Bhavan mute. I think Bhavan mute madhye asti. Kripaya unmute karodu.
I think he has got some problem with the net.
Okay.
Let me try to unmute him. One second. I cannot unmute him. Idanim, Bhavan, kripaya vadatu.
Tyago, Guno, वित्तवतां वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः परस्परविद्युक्तौ च वित्तत्यागौ विडम्बना भवति। त्यागः गुणो वित्तवतां वित्त is knowledge and ज्ञानं वदां वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः परस्पर वियुक्तौ तु चित्तत्यागौ विडम्बना त्यागो गुणो वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः that is a knowledge is what is the character or guna of knowledge is तवतां गुणः।
अत्र सुलभं करोतु महोदय एकैकं त्यागः गुणः वित्तवतां
वित्तं
न त्यागः गुणः वित्तवतां
वित्तं
वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः
वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः
अत्र
त्यागवतां गुणः
अर्थः कः?
परस्पर वियुक्तौ तु परस्पर वियुक्तौ तु सहायं इति उच्यते तु वित्तत्यागौ the knowledge of the one tyagau the sacrifice dambana chet dambana विडम्बना अर्थः कः?
पश्यामः महोदय प्रथमा पंक्तिं स्वीकरोतु। त्यागः गुणो वित्तवतां
वित्तवतां
सन्धिकार्यमस्ति वा तत्र किमपि?
त्यागः गुणः
वित्तवतां
नमो नमः गुणः वित्तवतां गुणः वित्तवतां एक
क्षणं वित्तवताम् इत्युक्ते किं महोदय?
वित्तवतां
धनिकः
one who is endowed with wealth.
तर्हि वित्तवत् इति प्रातिकं षष्ठी बहुवचनं वित्तवतां वित्तवतां कः गुणः? त्यागः गुणः। वित्तवतां त्यागः गुणः।
वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः।
त्यागवतां कः गुणः? किं गुणः? वित्तं गुणः।
त्यागवतां गुणः। परस्पर वित्युक्तौ परस्पर इत्युक्तौ परस्पर इत्युक्तौ
परस्परः वियुक्तौ द्वितीय तत्र द्विवचनमस्ति परस्पर वियुक्तौ
परस्पर इति
is describing the tyagau.
Yuktau.
Iti uktau.
Yuktau.
Uktau.
Paraspara yuktau.
Dvivachanam. Dvivachanam.
Yuktau. Viyuktau means without each other.
Uktah. Tu. They. Tu vidya. Uktau. Paraspara iti. Uktau. Dvivachanam va?
Dvivachanam.
Vidya yagau. Dvivachanam. Yagau. Vidambana.
What is Vidambana?
Something new, something ironical.
As the paradox.
Like.
There's a lot of meanings.
That means Acharya Vasti.
Acharya. Something.
Acharya Vasti.
Copying, imitating.
Vittavatam gunaha tyagaha, tyagavatam gunaha
vittam. Paraspara yuktau vityuktau yagau. Vittah yuktau.
महोदय एकः पदं स्वीकरोतु परस्पर युक्तौ
प्रथमे समाप्तं किल त्यागः गुणः
वित्तवतां
वित्तं त्यागवतां गुणः
एतत् स्पष्टमस्ति वा महोदय प्रथमं
एतत् स्पष्टमस्ति प्रथमे वाक्ये
त्यागः गुणः वित्तवतां
गुणः
त्यागवतां गुणः वित्तं
त्यागगुणः वित्तं द्वितीय वाक्यानि एव
परस्पर युक्तौ
परस्पर इत्युक्तौ
इत्युक्तौ नास्ति महोदय वियुक्तौ वियुक्तः वियुक्तः इत्युक्ते वियोगः परस्पर वियुग परस्पर वियुगः वियुक्तः तत्र समासः अस्ति परस्पर वियुक्तौ
without each other.
वित्त्यागौ
वित्तत्यागः like we say mata pitaram so it is vittatyaga vittyatyagah
vidambana.
The second sentence will be paraspara viyuktau vittyatyagau
yada paraspara viyuktau tu vittyatyagau vidambana tyago guna त्यागः गुणः वित्वतां वित्तं त्यागतां गुणः यदा
तस्य अर्थः अस्ति वित्त इत्युक्ते धनं धनं त्यागयोः परस्पर वियुक्तं सम्यक् न भवति विडम्बना अस्ति.
Yeah, it is a surprise. Yeah, it's a paradox.
It's very like rare to find that together, like like you will not. Yeah.
It will not be seen together anywhere.
Like if somebody is rich,
then
they won't have the tendency to give or do charity. Whereas if people have the tendency to do charity, they don't have money. Usually that's how the world works.
No, but that's not what this means, right? It's saying vittatyagau paraspara viyuktau tu vidambana. So like without each other, they don't exist. Is what it's
without each other they don't exist. They don't exist together. That's what he's saying is like
viyuktau without each other.
No, I think it is
they don't.
Those who have got dhanam, they don't want to part with that. But those
so what it's saying is
Oh, okay. So
but it is that there are misplaced dhanam and they don't misplaced the gunam.
Dhana and tyag, they are normally they are not coming together. That is what it is.
They are not coming together.
What I thought, like they will not be together. Usually the way
that is what it is saying.
Okay. It doesn't go together.
So where there is dhanam, there is no tyag. That is what it is meaning to say.
In Marathi.
Can you read in Marathi and explain? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll explain. Yeah. So what he's saying is, rich people, for rich people, tyag is tyag, if they are able to tyag, then that is a virtue. For people who are doing tyag, for them, if they are having money, then it is a virtue. But he's saying it is a vidambana, it is a paradox that dhan and tyag are never coming together. That is what in Marathi.
परस्पर वियुक्तौ तु वित्तत्यागौ विडम्बना.
These two virtues are together.
Virtues.
Paraspara that they are not coming together.
Paraspara viyuktau means without each other, right? Viyuktau is
Paraspar viyuktau ityukte paraspar viyogah. So coming together, viyogah. Paraspar
without each other.
One without the other.
Yeah, one without the other.
One without the other, yeah. Paraspar viyogah.
That's why I'm thinking it's saying one without the other is a rarity.
Separation.
No, one with the other is a rarity. Normally, they are the dhan and tyag are different, are separate, but coming together is a rarity.
I think we should ask.
Yeah, we can ask Jayakumar ji this.
Can you read the Anvaya? It's there. If you scroll, we can see.
No, but I think it is strange that they are not coming together.
Oh.
So there is only his vidambana.
That's what
it is strange that they are not coming together.
काय करावं दन आणि त्याग यांचा परस्पर संबंध कधी येतच नाही.
So what it is saying is that dhanam, a person with wealth and tyag virtues together is a rarity. That is what it is saying.
How do you write it in?
So the first sentence then will be vittavatam gunaha tyagaha.
Vittavatam gunaha tyagaha.
Tyagavatam gunaha vittam.
Tyagavatam gunaha vittam.
Tu paraspar viyuktau.
So what it is written in English is Tatparyam. If the rich have a mind to give money away, it is indeed a merit. If generous people have enough money, this is also a merit. But wealth and generosity do not go together. This is ironical.
Okay.
Tell that one more time, Sharaswati.
If the rich have a mind to give money, it is indeed a merit. If generous people have enough money, this is also a merit. But wealth and generosity do not go together. This is ironical indeed. So what we discussed is correct. They never go together. That is the thing.
It rarely goes together, right?
Rarely. It is ironical.
Okay.
The only question here is paraspar viyukta. I think that is what we have to work on.
That's what's throwing.
Yeah.
But again, viyukta has a lot of meanings, I think, right? Like when I was speaking in the Sanskrit dictionary, deficient, deserted by, detached, a lot of meanings are there. So disunited, disjointed, falling, separated. What is it?
Disjointed. Disjointed. Vikta is disjointed, right?
Yeah,
okay. Paraspar viyuktau. Acha. So both of them are disjointed. Paraspar viyuktau. Two are disjointed vitya tyagaha. Paraspar tu vitya tyagau vidambana. Paraspar viyuktau. That's what it is saying. Okay.
Just describing. It's an adjective.
It is describing vitya tyagau. It is describing vitya tyagau.
So paraspara viyuktau vittatyagau tu vidambana.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, my God. Okay, thank you.
Paraspar.
Two is for the vidambana. Indeed a vidambana.
Yes, indeed a vidambana. Correct.
Here what it means, paraspara viyuktau means what it means here.
Both of them are disjointed. Usually.
I think mutually exclusive.
Yes, correct.
I mean, the way they're described is it's virtue to be having money and also have the tendency to give.
Generosity.
It is when you have power, it is important that you also be fair. Like, you know, those combinations are very rare.
Mohini Mohdaya, you're attacking Trump now. Just kidding. Just kidding.
In general, I didn't have this idea, but I do support when you say that. But when I said
she didn't waste the chance to show her disappointment. Okay.
I was just joking. Yeah.
I can go for hours, but that's okay.
Me too.
Paraspara viyuktau is the two are disjointed, is what you said.
Yes,
right?
correct. The two are disjointed.
So Bhagya is happy now. Finally.
It's not making sense to me. Now I'm like.
Sunita Mohoday, avagatam va sarvam asti? Astu. Gachama. Bhagya Mohoday, krupaya svikorotu.
Okay, next one.
Yeah, this one.
That one, Nasa Sabha, that one?
Yeah, Nasa Sabha.
Nasa Sabha, okay. Nasa Sabha yatra na santi vruddhaha vruddhanate yena vadanti dharmam dharmo na vai yatra cha nasti satyam satyam na tadya chalananu viddham. Is it tadya? Is that correct?
Tadya.
Tadya chalananu viddham. Yeah, chalananu viddham. Okay. Nasa sabha yatra na santi vruddhaha. There is no assembly where there are no old people, is it?
Yeah.
Vruddhanate yena vadanti dharmam. There are no old people who don't say what is dharma.
Right.
What is right. Dharmo na vai yatra cha nasti satyam.
Dharma na vai.
Where there is no truth, there is no dharma. Right? Dharmo na vai yatra cha nasti satyam. Satyam na Chalananu viddham. That one, chalananu viddham. Satyam na tat chalananu viddham.
It says kapatane yukta. Deceitful or clever? Kapata.
Deceitful. Chalananu viddham.
Satyam na. So Satyam is not deceitful. Is that what it means?
Yes. Let's do this first. Tada challanu nidyam.
Okay, I don't see any santi vruddha. Okay, only thing is vruddhahanate. Right? Vruddhanate is vruddhahanate. But why is that vruddha? Oh yeah, that's right. It's
mrudu vyanjanam asti ataha tasya lopah bhavati.
Akaraha purva
akara asti mrudu vyanjana asti ataha lopah bhavati.
Right, yeah. So it gets dropped.
Yeah.
Then dharmona, that one is dharmaha. So again with mrudu vyanjana namo namaha sandhi. Nasti is na asti savarna dirgha sandhi. Satyam na tat chalana tadya, sorry.
There, not tadya.
Chalananu viddham.
So where is the dya coming from? Where is the there are two. So
tat yat
chalananu viddham. Chalananu viddham is deceitful people, is it?
Like chal
kapat.
Kapat.
Deceit.
So chalananu viddham, the whole thing means what? Kapatane yukta means
full of deceit.
Full of deceit.
Okay.
So can we tell line by line? There is no sabha without
old people, or you can say people with wisdom.
Wisdom.
Yeah.
Vruddhanate
yena vadanti dharmam.
There are no people who don't say what
wisdom from without.
The ones who are old will not talk about dharma.
No, not like that.
No. Old people don't talk about.
I think we can start from the second half for the first. For example, yatra vriddaha na santi, that is not a sabha. Ye dharmam na vadanti, they are not vriddaha.
Correct.
Yeah, yatra satyam nasti. Yeah.
Tatra dharma.
Tatra dharma nasti.
Yeah. Dharma. Yeah. Why?
Na dharma.
Chalana asti, tatra satyam nasti.
Satyat anuviddham.
Viddham means
Satyam anuviddham.
Satyam na. So wherever there is deceit, there is no satyam.
I think so, but how would you say, what is anuviddham?
Anuviddham is where anuvartate. So where it is there, vartate.
Follow.
Yatra chalana vartate, tatra satyam na vartate.
Anuviddham. So chalana anuvidyate, tatra satyam.
Chalana anuviddham is full of deceit, right?
Full of deceit, yeah, correct. So yatra chalanam vartate, tatra satyam na vartate. So I want you to do this. Tadya chalananu vidyam. How do we get this? So tell me, if it is tat yat, what happens to ta? What happens to you?
Hal sandhi, right?
Yeah, dakara, right?
Dakara, ta becomes da. We didn't learn that.
Yeah, we didn't learn it yet, but it's hal sandhi, right?
So tadyat, that will become.
Tadyat. So where is the cha coming from?
This, because it's cha, I think that ta becomes.
So that is again a hal sandhi. So that cha becomes cha. Because it's a hard consonant, so it takes the first root. So tacha ananu vidyam.
Yeah, depending on the vaka.
We didn't learn that, but that's
that's how it is. Yeah. So atra spashtam asti.
Yeah.
We have to do the
last sentence. How do you? What is the verb you just put?
Nasti. No.
Yatra chalananu vidyam asti. Tatra satyam nasti.
Yed. I think taddi yed. I think the first one we used yatra.
That which is full of deceit is not satyam.
Taddi na satyam. Yed chalananu vidyam asti. Tad na satyam. Yeah. So I think
we can even do that. Yes.
Chalananu vidyam yat tat satyam na. Tat na satyam.
Satyam na, in brackets we can say asti or what?
Asti also, yeah.
Asti assumed.
Yeah. So, okay, we have to start from the beginning.
Can you tell another, once again, all the sentences?
Right, we'll just split them into 4 sentences, right?
Right, correct.
Okay. Yatra vriddaha san sabhana asti. So that's the first one. Okay, can I also write?
Yatra vriddaha na santi.
Na santi.
Tatra will go in bracket.
Tatra will go in brackets.
Na asti.
Yatra vriddaha dharmam na vadan. Yatra.
We are in the first one.
Sorry. Sa sabha. Sorry.
Sa sabha na.
Na and asti is the only one in brackets in the first line.
Tatra also is in brackets, right?
No, we don't need tatra because we said sa sabha, right? There is no such sabha.
Oh, okay. Sa sabha. Okay.
Then ye dharmam na vadanti.
Ye vruddha or yatra vruddha?
No. Ye dharmam na vadanti.
Second one or the first line? Which one are you talking about? Second. The first one, first one it is yatra vruddha na santi, sa sabha na asti.
Okay.
Then ye dharmam na vadanti, te vruddha
na santi.
Te vruddha na santi.
Yeah.
Te vruddha na santi.
Then santi goes in brackets.
Yeah.
Then dharmo na vai yatra cha nasti satyam. Yatra satyam nasti.
Tatra dharmam nasti. Dharmah nasti.
Vaha, right?
No, why? It's not vaha. Why? Why is like it's like an exclamation, right?
I don't know actually what why is. Very
I know what why is, but I'm not able to express it. It's like it's in that Markandeya.
Is it indeed?
Ashtakam, it is there, right? He says to Kim karoti vayamaha. What can he do? It's like
Chandrasekhar Ashtakam.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar Ashtakam.
Indeed,
yeah, kind of, not. It's like a forceful, like for sure kind of thing. What can he do? Like?
So yatra satyam nasti.
Yeah. Yatra satyam.
Tatra goes in brackets.
Tatra vai dharmah nasti.
Tatra is na dharmah.
Tatra
Asti.
I think we should go. Can we keep it moving, and we can go to the next one too? We can. Or is it?
We don't know the third sentence. You got the third sentence, Sajeev.
What is it?
Tatra.
Yatra satyam nasti, tatra dharmah nasti.
Why? I don't know where to add that why though. It's like it's an exclamation.
Why dharma?
Why dharmam? Yeah, maybe. Na dharmam why? Maybe. Na dharmah why? Na dharmah why? Tatra na dharmah why? And then the last one is yat chalananu viddham.
Tadina satyam.
Tadna satyam.
Tat na satyam. Yeah, sorry. That takes a while.
Yeah, okay.
Better to write now. We can just follow this format.
Yeah. So
if you look at the attachments in our folder, will it be in English also? Like if the Anvaya and all. Then maybe
in our folders we have in English.
Maybe you're right. Yeah,
we can look there too. Like we can go back and look there too. Yeah.
The same thing is there. The same ones are there.
Yeah,
it'll be the.
Parichaya is only one book, right?
Yeah, only one book. I tried the English one, but I could not get it. They don't have it here. Okay. So I had to use this.
They don't have it in Sanskrit Bharati?
Right now that stock is not there, the English version. Yeah, so the last sentence is saying that is not a satya which is having chal kapat in that.
Yeah, exactly.
That is. That is not a satya where there is chal kapat.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this only proves one thing. I am a co-student and I am not a teacher by this time.
You are helping us. Don't think like that, Sandeep ji.
Okay, good. So can we do one more?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I think we can finish. I don't mind.
Okay, good. Gangotri Mohodaya, Krupaya Vadatu.
No, she left actually. Gangotri Mohodaya left.
Astu. Sajeev Mohini Mohodaya, Vadatu.
Punayante doshaha sujana vadane durjana mukhe guna doshante tadidamapi no vismaya padam mahamegha ksharam pibati kurute vari madhuram phani kshiram pitva vamati garalam dussahataram. Yeah.
Wow, this looks complicated.
Yeah, it looks complicated.
They're getting longer.
I know that the snake, while it is drinking milk, it is vomiting poison. That I understood. Mahamegha ksharam pibati kurte varim madhuram. Mahamegha is
a cloud, big clouds.
Ksharam pibati is like they drink.
So it's drinking salty water.
Drink salty water, but it will give water to the plants.
Yeah.
Vari is the plants, right? Paddy or something.
No, Vari
is
water or lake, water. Vari. Yeah.
Oh, so it gives. Oh.
So clouds are taking salty water from the sea and giving you sweet water on land.
Yeah.
So now let's see the two lines that I didn't understand. Guna.
So first, no, you have to do it. First 2 lines, do it.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Gunayante doshaha. Doshaha is like bahuvachana. So there will be doshas in.
No. 1 sec. We'll go one by one. Gunayante doshaha. Gunayante is to count. Gunayante is to be counted. So gunayante doshaha.
Oh, gunayante is to be counted. Okay.
Gunayante doshaha.
Okay. So count the mistakes.
Yeah, doshaha. Mistakes. Sujana vadane, durjana mukhe.
So sujana vadane means like something told by good people.
Yeah, sujana vadane.
Durjana mukhe.
So
like compare what good people say versus bad people.
No, durjana mukhe. Durjana mukhe ityukte kim? Ye durjanaha santi te.
In front
so bad people. Okay.
Yada durjanaha sujana vadanam karoti. Yada if bad people talk good things, it is counted as a dosh. That is what he said.
I see. So bad people talk good things, it's a dosha.
Durjana mukhe asti na. Kutra asti doshaha mukhe asti.
Oh, so they're pretending it's hypocrisy.
Yeah.
Okay. Guna doshante. With it, so like if you count the doshas by the
they sing the praises of wrong things. Bad people sing
praises of wrong things, and then guna
doshayante
tadidam api
no vismaya padam.
Vismaya padam
means one.
Not surprising, is it?
Yeah, not sir. Vismaya, no vismayati. Vismaya padam.
Guna doshayante.
Okay, so we will get the meaning first.
I think it's like this. Gunayante doshaha sujana vadane durjana mukhe gunaha doshayante. So like yeah, from the mouth of like good people. Yeah, even the bad things are like counted as good. Then durjana mukhe, I think even the gunas are treated as doshas, counted as doshas. Both these are not surprising, right? Tadidamapi naha
vismaya padam.
These two are not surprising, I think.
So we'll get to the
right? Durjana mukhe, sujana vadane. So bad people's.
No. So
sujana vadane.
Durjana mukhe
doshaha gunayante.
Yeah, durjana mukhe guna doshayante.
Durjana mukhe gunaha doshayante. It should be gunaha, right?
Virtues are doshayante. They are what do you say?
Even when they're talking about gunas, it will.
So doshayante.
In them, bad is good. In bad people, good. I don't know.
No.
Guna doshayante tad.
I know subject is doshaha, but vadane is in the mouth of good people, and is the verb, right? So gunayante is what is causing my problem. Is gunayante? How do I explain that?
Gunayantes are what do you say? Are doshaha are.
So I got the.
It's like qualified or. As good. Basically,
Gunayante means it is qualified as good. So that means the doshaha sujana vadne in the mouth of those sujana people, doshaha, that means mistakes are come out as good.
Represented as good, or they're talked about.
English, I'm not getting it. I can
understand. Is not there to tell us in English,
even though it's strong.
And is there a Marathi version down there? Is there a
they get
I think we have
smashed our heads. Doshayantes, they get vilified, I think, or something like that.
Okay, Mohini Mohdaya and Sandeep Mohdaya, you can just explain us.
Change.
Yeah.
Doshayantes change.
So sujana vadane ityukte sajjana mukhe dosha tu vayam janimaha. Gunayante ityukte
change, right? Parivartana.
Positive.
Gune parivartanam bhavati. दुर्जन मुखे दुर्जनानां मुखे गुणाः दोषायन्ते तत् इदम् अपि न विस्मयपदम् तत् इदम् अपि
is not surprising.
These two are not surprising. I think
so what it is saying is that even if the good people mouth out some dosha, they are treated as gunaha. The bad people, even if they mouth out some virtues, that will be taken as dosha. This is not surprising because clouds turn salty water into good water, and sap and sarpa will convert milk into poison.
Oh, very nice. It makes sense now.
The words of good people, right? Words of good people.
Mouth. Vadan, like from their mouth, even if mistakes come,
comes.
Yeah, so in the words that they speak, right? Good people, their words become good.
Yeah.
mistakes will become good.
Yeah, just as how the salt water is converted to good water, say
water.
The good people, when they say, even if they say bad things, it is considered.
Yeah, it is considered as good, and even if bad people say anything good, it will be considered as bad.
Just like how a milk, just like how a snake drinks milk and vomits poison.
Exactly.
So how do you do Anvaya for this?
Okay, now.
I think Anvaya is okay because
I know for you it's okay.
Yeah, I think Sujana Vadane doshaha gunayante. Tadapi Durjana Mukhe gunaha doshayante. Tadapi naha vismaya padam. Bhavati. Within brackets we can say bhavati, right? Or vartate.
Tadidam api no vismaya padam.
Na vismaya padam.
Na vismaya padam. Na vismaya padam bhavati va asti.
Bhavati. Yada.
Naha, right? It's not.
It's naha.
It's not.
I think Mohini Mahodaya, can we try with Yada Mahamegha Ksharam Pibati?
I thought Tada. That's when I was going to change it. Yeah.
Yada strange. It's not.
Yada Durjana Vadane doshaha gunayante. Durjana Mukhe gunaha doshayante. Tadidam api naha vismayam.
Vismaya.
Yada tada. Yeah. Tada Mahamegha madhuram ksharam pibati. No, here we have to bring. Yeah.
Mohini Mahodaya. Mohini.
Tari. Yadi tari, right? Probably.
Yeah. Mohini, can you please try to connect 3 to 1 and 4 to 2? For example, Yada Mahamegha Ksharam Pibati Vari Madhuram Kurute Tada Gunayante Doshaha.
Tada Sujana Vadane doshaha
gunayante.
Yeah, something like that. And then
let's try that. Yada tada, right?
Yeah.
Yada Mahamegha Ksharam Pibati Vari Madhuram Kurute Yada.
Not Yada, it's Yada.
No, Yada will not work. Okay,
Yatha,
can do this.
Yatha, just as Yatha, not like when. Yatha
Mahamegha Ksharam Pibati Vari Madhuram Kurute Tatha Sujana Vadane doshaha gunayante.
Correct.
Yatha Hani Chiram Pitva
Garalam Vamati.
What is dus?
Garalam Dussahastram Vamati.
Dussahataram Garalam Vamati.
Garalam and Dussaharatam are together. Garalam Dussaharatam Vamati Tatha Durjana Mukhe Guna
Doshayante. And then we can,
Tadamidam api na
Vismayapada.
Yeah, I think that's
correct.
Yeah, this is correct. I think the key is to first find out now we know this. Now I know. Srujana Vadane दोषाः गुणायन्ते, दुर्जनमुखे गुणाः दोषायन्ते. Solving this.
And the last message is, it is not surprising.
It is not surprising because of these two examples.
Okay, okay.
सृजन वदने दोषाः गुणायन्ते, दुर्जन मुखे गुणाः दोषायन्ते.
Yeah.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.